is Tessy Mwangi, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and thank you for those people who have subscribed. Thank you for the support, and I'm so happy that today I'm going to do a very interesting video. We are going to make a brunch salad, which will be let me show black pepper and also honey to dress up the salad. So guys, let's get started. So over here I'm having my sausages. I'm going to cut them into slices. There are my skewers. You can see them with the sausages. I've already pinned them. So I'm just going to use my vegetable oil to coat them with some oil so that I can put it in my grill pan. I'm going to use this oil brush. You put a little bit of your vegetable oil on a separate bowl so that it can be easy for you to paste them. So let me paste it first. To set our pan on fire to get a little bit hot and heated. So I'm going to, this is my pan already. I have set the heat, which is regulated. I'm going to paste it with some oil so that the sausages won't get to stick to the pan. So I'm coating it all over. And that's enough. So already the oil is, now I'm going to place my skewers. So you can place them on the end, on the edge of your grilling pan, so that you can be able to hold the skewer as you're turning it. And you can see my sausages are getting the oil and it's getting cooked well. And this is a very easy way you can do your grilling in the house, and you can see the pan. You can do it in any kind of pan that you have, or your grilling what? Your griller, yes. So you keep checking on your sausages so that every part of your sausage is burned and well cooked, having that green color, which it is showing. You can see like this one, yes. Salad. So they are ready, and there they are. You can see nice colors, and already they have the partitions of the grill, which looks now good for the mishkaki cabbage salad. And I've already finished cutting them. These are the slices. They are thin and long ones. So I'm going to put them in this bowl. So now we are going to cut the onions into springs, that kind of shape, because this is a salad. So I'm going to use that shape. So this is my onion spring like shaped. I'm going to at least steam them so that that kind of smell of the onion and also the acid that is in the onion will be at least reduced. So when you are supposed to a little bit steam them. I'm going now to set them on my grill pan to steam a bit, like for 5 minutes. So let it steam a bit, crunchy. So I'm going to serve it to my bowl. Add it here. So the next thing we are going to add will be my tomato. A little bit cooked, so you do it for only 2 minutes. Will be done and good for you. So guys, I have an interesting guest who is here, also wants to see how to make a salad with your sausages at home, and already he's here. So I'm going to invite him to come over and say hi to you guys and tell you who he is. So welcome.
Yeah, hi guys, my name is Lincoln. This is my friend. Yeah, the smell is amazing. Yeah, I hope we'll cooperate.
Yes, and tell them to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell for notification of new videos I'll be uploading. So remember to do that. And also please leave a comment. Yes, so guys, leave a comment. So he's going to help me out as I'm preparing this salad with the sausages, and that's why
I'm grating.
So guys, I want him to at least also see how you can grate your carrots as you're adding them to this bowl of salad that we are making for the vegetables, and he's doing
so
great.
Easy.
It's easy.
Yeah.
What else? Kuja. The salad already, okay, for the carrots, they are already done. I'm going now to add them to my salad, the other salad. So we have just mixed them all up so that everything is combined, and the spices now they are coming together, and the smell will be now different. So this is the salad, and this is very healthy and nutritious for your body, for the growing body. So for this salad, since we have finished all that, we want to dress it a little bit. So I'm going to use my pepper. This is black pepper.
Yeah.
So we are going just to sprinkle all over the salad. Yeah. A little bit. Then you continue mixing them. We are mixing them. So if you want the salad to be, you can add the salad to be a little bit sour.
Yeah.
Sour.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are going to put a little bit, a half teaspoon of vinegar. A half teaspoon. So let me just add. So I've added there. Then we continue mixing. So now the smell has changed and it is so good. Yes.
Yeah.
So you can smell it.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
Yeah.
Add them to my salad. So there we go. Now you just mix them all over. So for the sausages, you can do 3 to 4 according to the kind of people you are serving. If there are 2 people, 4 people, you just cut them into slices that they are going to fit each and everybody. So there we go. The sausages are on point, the salad is on point, everything is on point, and it is smelling so well. If you want, you can sprinkle some, you can add your honey to your salad a little bit if you want it to be at least sweet and sour at the same time. But I think he's going to finish it. It's good.
Yeah, I like it.
So he likes it. So you guys get to do this salad, and it is so amazing. You can do it anytime, any day, and it is so easy. The taste will be so amazing. So yes, so guys, please remember to subscribe. If you've not, please share this video, please share it, and then remember to hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. So today I had that one guest who wanted to tag along in my video, and he was amazing, and he just enjoyed the meal. So you've already seen the reaction and the action. So yes, so guys, until next time, bye.
Bye.